Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can get more exposure, outrun your competition, and of course get more customers. First things first, I have your website pulled out here, and I can see that your website is not secure. And this is a very simple step that whoever did your website can actually install a security certificate, and this will help you because it can be a little bit annoying. It can scare away potential customers because it says not secure, and they might think that the information that they input here might be stolen or leaked. So very, very important to understand. The second thing is to add more content. And when I say content, it's not just images, but more wording over here. I can see that you have, for example, this bolded, and that could be a potential keyword. But other than that, you need more content if you wanna start ranking for a Google search. And I'll show you why. If I look in the back end of your website, you only being found for 28 keywords. You only have around one visit a month for your on your website, and you have 151 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website and will give you power so you can be found on Google as well. This will increase your domain rating and your URL rating. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. That means that you can have hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, this can be completely useless. So let's take a look at the keywords that you're being found for really quick. Excuse me. And your branding name, you're on the second page right now, so you're not even ranking number one for that. Let's see here something relevant. NJ clean energy rebate status. Not really sure if that applies to that could be applied to your services. NJ rebates on furnace. Not really sure as well. So Chesterfield Vet Clinic. Now not sure why this is you being found for this for that keyword. So you can see that there's nothing relevant over here. And we can see that because I did a search on HVAC Mercer County, NJ. And the first thing you can see is this is sponsored by Google. You pay to be here. Then we have the traditional Google ads. This is where you pay every time somebody clicks on it. Then we have the map section. And this is very important because this is where you want to be. Regardless of your location, you can target specific areas, counties, cities, or even the whole state of New Jersey. I believe that you're also trying to serve some areas of Pennsylvania, and you can target that as well. So moving on, we have the organic results. I'm sorry, organic, if I mispronounce that. Um, we have Yelp on number one, then we have arcticxc.com number two, number three, number four, and for your reference, 67% of the people that do a Google search, they only go for the top three over here and the top three on the organic results. That means that they don't scroll down all the way to the end of the page and not even go to the other pages over here. So you not being in this first page means that you could be missing a lot of opportunities, a lot of potential clients. And for the purpose of the video, I want to pull out this website and see why they're ranking number two and you're not. So first of all, we see that, let me go back here. They're targeting a specific page over here dedicated for Mercer County. Now we're looking at the website itself, and you can see that they have a lot of information, a lot of content, and you can see that they're targeting specific keywords, and I'll show you that in a second as well. But they have a lot of information. That means that these guys understand what a proper website should have in order to be ranking on those searches. And they have different sub pages, products. We have heating, cooling, HVAC, same thing, plumbing, they do the same thing, testimonials, rebates, resources, everything. So you have to have more than this amount of content so you can start try to compete head to head with these guys. And not just content. I'm pretty sure that their backlinks might be they might have a huge impact as well. Let's take a look on the back end of their website. So like I was telling you, they have a lot of content and being found for almost 8,000 keywords. This is bringing them around 5,000 visits a month to their website, and they have over 4,600 backlinks, almost 4,700 backlinks. So, and you can see that these numbers are kind of high, and they seem to be doing just enough for them to be ranking on that position. So let's take a look on the back end to the keywords that they're being found for. And of course, let's say Arctic RJ, this is the branding name. Same thing over here. AC Repair, Jackson, New Jersey. 100 searches a month. They're ranking number 2. And for those 100 searches, they're getting 19 to their website. You can see that they have a specific page dedicated for that area because there's a lot of volume search. And they're targeting that. Let's see another one. Um, let's go see the second page because it's a lot of HVAC Freehold, New Jersey. 40 searches a month, they're ranking number 1. And for those 40 searches, they're getting 16 straight to the website. You can see that they have a dedicated section for this specific keyword or this area, if that makes sense. Let's keep seeing furnace repair Howell MJ. Same thing, 70 searches a month, they're ranking number 2, and they're getting 12 out of those 70 searches, and they have a specific page. So these guys really know what they're doing. Really know what they're doing. Air conditioner repair Freehold, New Jersey. 90 searches a month, they're ranking number 3, and they're getting 12 visits specific to the on that specific keyword. So this is just something that if you want to compete head to head with these guys to get um, into the top 3 competition, I mean top 3 spots, those are the keywords that you need to focus pretty much on. But again, it depends on all on what your goals are, where you want to target, and what areas do you want to cover. So just a few examples, and I don't want to take too much of your time. So if you think we can help you out, because we can definitely help you out, feel free to reach out. If you have any questions about what website should be looking at, whether website should have backlinks, how marketing campaigns work, feel free to reach out as well. I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.